Hello everyone, myself I am Raghuvardan. So today I would like to discuss about the Tata Power Company, which is a part of the Tata Group. So as you know that the Tata Group have the several aspects, not only Tata Power, like Tata softwares or other products aspects like product base or products which is useful to the users and it will follow some values like generating and distributing the power across different formats. Um, and also the first one is power generation. Power generation. So as you know that it will generate a power. Tata Power has a diverse generating portfolio, including thermal or hydro or solar and wind power. So the solar will store the energy in the form of solar plates. So we can use at any time. We can get the solar energy from the sunlight. So if you user want to use more energy when the power is not required sufficient, so you can use the solar and you can get a large amount of energy from the sunlight and you can store. It will also have the one of the future like storing capacity. It is developed by the power. That means this company Tata Power. So the solar can store the energy. It may be electric, and you can use to the large amount of like schools or colleges, so they can use this energy. And also we have the power renewable energy, a significant. So the second one is renewable energy. The significant portion of the Tata Power capacity comes from clean energy source. That means so we will get the energy from the, so if you can say electric energy, we will get from the clear source of energy like water or like so oceans or some dams. So we can consume the energy from the water or like electricity, and we are storing in a form of particular format, and we are using the energy to the peoples or customers, not only one state, across India in different states. So it is the useful. Transmission distribution means the next one is transmission distribution. So this Tata Power company distributing the powers to different. That means before I said companies like states like Odisha or some other Mumbai. So these people are using the energy which is comes from the Tata Power. Okay, now the next one is innovation and sustainability. It emphasizes sustainable practices and innovations, including electric vehicles, charging infrastructure, energy storage solution, and smart grid techniques are available at present generations. That means if you consider the any vehicle or motorcycle or motor cars, electric cars, so they are stored. They provide one structure, infrastructure, that is, it can store the energy like electric energy, and you can use while the working of the vehicle, motorcycle or car, while they are working of the object. So the energy is going to be used. So they provide the Tata Power company is generating a new things. So that will provide, so they don't require a fuel. Um, so we don't need to import from different countries of the fuel. So we also our within India, the state government or Indian government are providing solar energy like electricity to all the people in the world, all the people in India. So they can get a power from within the country, within the states. They can reduce the price of the purchasing. So we are purchasing the fuel for more expensive. So it is not required to us. So it is one of the benefit of it. Global presence means apart from India, Tata Power has operations and projects in countries like South Africa and Zimbabwe and Bhutan. That means so they are also giving a project to this company, Tata Power company. So which is the part of the Tata Group. So they are getting a project from those and distributing this energy to across different countries like before I said South Africa and Zimbabwe and Bhutan. So these people also align with this company. So they are importing the energy. So that is the one of the thing. And the next subsidiaries and joint ventures. It is the one of the thing which is visible by the this company. It operates through a subsidiaries like Tata Power Solar and Tata Power DDL and the joint ventures like Coastal Gujarat Power Limited. So that means so these both Gujarat or some other they are also using the Tata Power DDL and joint ventures like Coastal. So it is useful to the people in these areas. Tata Power has play a crucial role in India energy sector development and continues to focus on renewable energy and sustainables as a part of its growth strategy. So like that, we are getting a source of energy in these formats. Also, this company generating, transporting, and distribution of the energy in different formats to the different people in the states or in the country or different countries. So that is the thing it is doing the Tata Power. So the head of the Tata Power, the vision is the main thing is he need to give a good kind of energy. That means give kind of energy to the users. So the all of users can attract to them. So nowadays we observe the vehicles are electric. So they are testing before sending it to the market. If it is give a good result in all formats, not only moving the vehicles from source to destination, not like that. So they are also checking each and everything before raising a product into the outside, and they also tried, but they are using a high amount of and the quality kinds of substance to create some new stuff. That means a new object. So what's happening here when they are trying to give a good and best objects, we are increasing the quantity of price. So that is the drawback of this company. So the poor people in the states and countries. So if you consider our country, it is not a well-developed country. So still we are in developed phase, not in the developing. We are in the phase of developing. So if you consider 80% of the people are poor, that means the middle class families. So 20% only the people who are rich. That means who have the four wheelers like cars. So it is not being effective to users in India. So it is useful to other countries like well-developed country USA or China or some Japan like that. So UK, that means England. So these are the one of the available countries. So no, they get more benefit of this type of companies. The Tata Power, before I said the Tata Power generating a new things. That means vehicles, motors, law. So they need to generate a product in low cost and good quality. So they can survive within the borders of the people. So the people can more attract to them. That is the drawback of it. So this is about the Tata Power. So Tata Power is the one of the successful company in India and also have the good name in India because the Tata is the main not only Tata Power company, so the group of Tata, so they have the different companies like TCS, so the software developments or electric motors or some other. So like Tata Salt, so they are also established different companies. So they created a brand and they also going to move their companies in all aspects. Okay, not only not only in single domain. So they are trying to emerge their company's name in all formats like food items or electronics or mobiles. Okay, now so they get a good name and they also developing the company. So that's all about the Tata Power. So I think it's going to be developed in future more and more compared to some other. So it will benefit to all the people so we can reduce the using of the fuel in future. So they are going to use electric motorcycles, electric cars. um, so we can also save the environment to stop the, that means the pollutions, like air pollutions, water pollutions. So we can also stop this kind of things if you use this one. So that's about this power company, Tata Power. So I would like to end the session.